So, ladies and gentlemen, now we're coming to a very exciting part of this this day, and very much closing towards, but don't go yet. Let me ask you: are you still alive? Are you still kicking? Are you here? Are you halfway sleeping, looking forward to the dinner? Because there will be some role for your mobile device. Show me that you have your device here. Show me. Come on. Who doesn't show is sleeping, so okay. Good. Very good. Thank you very much. Because, ladies and gentlemen, the Industry of Things World Award is back. So this means that in the 7 years, we had 1 year where we started, or we.CONECT started, with an award. And last year we didn't do that, but this year we are continuing, and this has been a great competition. In fact, we are having 2 categories for this award. One of the categories is combining economic success and sustainability, using IoT to move towards carbon neutral production. And the second category is reacting to the new normal of working during pandemic. So, for example, new IoT-based solutions to keep your workplace safe, working together from afar, successful implementation of remote work and remote control with the help of IIoT, successful developing new service models in reaction to shifting standards. We have had submissions in both categories, and we had a jury. I had some highly rated fellow colleagues here looking at those submissions, and we have been evaluating it along a couple of criteria, which was innovation, how innovative or unique is the approach, simplicity, how easy is the project to realize and to maintain, achievement, what has been improved through the implementation, maturity, is the approach ready to use, and cost effectiveness. What is the balance of development costs and savings? So, the jury members is Ms. we.CONECT. She was presenting here in the morning. I'm looking around. I don't see her. It is Marco Glipietila. I don't know if you are here. Also not here. You have seen me already. Dr. Matthias Venemer, who unfortunately couldn't come. We had to cancel his presentation as well, but he was also a member of the jury. And also Adrian Betz from Siemens Energy. You are here. Happy that I'm not alone. Good. Now, the jury did not select a winner. You will. What we did, we have screened the submissions, and we have brought up the 3, let's say, top candidates in each category. And now this is going to be your turn to look at the project or submission videos, and after that, do the voting. This is why I was asking you to raise your mobile device that you know where it is. But before we do that, let's go through the nominees and what they have been sending to us and wishing you to know about their project. So this is Kraus Maffei. Their project is social production. Johnson & Johnson. Johnson & Johnson, environmental monitoring system, and Mercedes-Benz with green machine. So let's go through one by one. Kraus Maffei, social production, we have a video for you.
Dear audience, Kraus Maffei proudly presents social production, one of the world's first B2B cloud solutions that consistently uses industrial IoT and machine data to improve sustainability in plastics and rubber processing. Stay tuned.
Just like every other morning, the production manager Peter comes to the office and opens the social production application on his computer. He checks the key figures and important events of his machines from last night's shift. He notices everything went well and starts his day with great confidence.
Imagine you could use operational machine data to control complex processes and to monitor the machine's health status, so that plastic waste in production is significantly reduced and employees have more time for other tasks.
After lunch, Peter receives a notification on the social production web application from the machine PX160 saying filter must be replaced. He asks the operator via social production chat whether a filter is in stock. The operator replies that it's not available and asks Peter to order the filter.
Imagine having your entire plastics production on your smartphone in your pocket, at any time and anywhere.
In the evening, as Peter is about to leave work, he receives a push message on his social production mobile app. A sudden increase in the melt pressure has been detected on the CX200. He then walks over to the machine and starts investigating. Indeed, the supplier delivered material with incorrect filler content. He sighs in relief. Social production saved us an expensive night of scrap production.
Social production combines state-of-the-art production monitoring technologies with the benefits of social media and is tailored to the needs of users in the plastics industry. We hope you enjoyed our video. Many thanks on behalf of the entire Kraus Maffei team.
So that was Kraus Maffei and social production. Let's move on to Johnson & Johnson. Environmental monitoring system, IoT multi-tenant platform. Please. Johnson & Johnson, thank you very much for the submission and for making it into the final. Moving on to Mercedes-Benz and Green Machine.
What happens if we don't change our behavior? In order to cope with the enormous variant and volume pressure, industry is constantly optimizing its processes. the sustainability of these processes is almost neglected. Nevertheless, environmental awareness is becoming an increasingly important factor in industry, which is reflected in different approaches to saving energy in processes. Many energy-saving approaches lead to the purchase of new components. While this enables savings, it's often not in relation to sustainability. In order not only to purchase efficient peripherals and thus waste further resources, the optimization of existing production plants is an option. Through intelligent data analysis of a production plant, all information about its condition can be collected. With this in-depth knowledge about the machine, self-learning algorithms are able to perform automated optimization on the machine. In the Green Machine project, electrical components of a machine tool are optimized in terms of energy efficiency. This not only enables lower power consumption of production systems, but also less wear of the components.
During the manufacturing process, production systems generate data that provides information about the condition of the machine, the quality and the cycle time. Based on this information, the Green Machine algorithm is able to monitor the production goals and optimize control variables such as pump speeds, feeds or pressures with regard to the energy efficiency. The data is evaluated cycle-based to ensure that the production goals are not violated. This results in a continuous learning and improvement process that optimizes the production system's autonomous.
Machine tools represent complex systems with various influencing factors. It is therefore essential to fathom and understand the physical interrelationships.
Data mining is the basis for optimization and analysis. Building on that, the goal is to create a reliable model using AI.
As part of the optimization, the interaction between the components of a complex system, such as a machine tool, must be studied and mapped mathematically.
Expert systems are necessary to differentiate between systematic and random errors. These must be described algorithmically to support the AI.
Agile methods in project management are the basic building blocks of a successful project.
The Green Machine project is one of the keys in our digitalization and sustainability strategy. Resource savings at existing plants enable high and scalable energy efficiency.
While data-driven monitoring of production systems is state-of-the-art, autonomous optimization is the next level. The combination of two fields, such as digitalization and energy efficiency, is a very exciting challenge. Methods from AI and machine learning are proving to be useful tools to understand and optimize a physical complex system. We overcame this challenge with colleagues from a wide range of academic backgrounds. A team effort that not only drives digitalization but also sustainability for all.
Green Machine, Mercedes-Benz, thank you very much. So, ladies and gentlemen, now it is your turn to decide which candidate gets this one, which is nice, or this one, which is nicer, and this one, which is the nicest. So, please scan the QR code with your mobile device. And I believe we have a test question here, just to make sure that it works. So 20 of you already joined, 24, this is brilliant. Now the audience online, you will hopefully watch this event in your browser, and on the left-hand side, there is in the menu, there is a cup, and next to it's the title award. When you click on that one, you end up in the same application and you can also vote. Brilliant, 51. I guess we could conclude this is 52 people who want to vote now. So here you are. Now this is real. Please tell us, in your opinion, who would be the winner, the second place, and the third place in this competition. Okay. We have some more time. if you want to call your friends. Guys from Mercedes here. Okay. Tough run between Kraus Maffei and Johnson & Johnson, as I see. Getting hot, the race over there. And the music is probably the end of the time for the voting, or not. So, the results stand, and it was exciting. So, based on your votes, the winner of this year's award in the category 1, combining economic success and sustainability using IoT to move towards carbon neutral production. The first place goes to Mercedes-Benz with Green Machine. So, congratulations. Somebody could come here, or all of you. So, congratulations.
Thank you a lot.
Great submission, congratulations, or maybe this way, yes. Let's be compliant. Yeah. So, Mercedes-Benz, and I see this was a student project from your end, I guess, yeah, right, so there's photos, so great. And now you can thank forever, for anybody who you wanted to thank here, your mother and your children and whoever enabled you to this success.
I'm not a man of big words, so I just want to thank you to my team, to my colleagues, to my chef, my team leader, Peter Voss, and also my parents and my little brother. Thank you.
Thank you, guys. The second place goes to Kraus Maffei Technologies for social production. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, yes. So,
thank you.
And this here. Yeah, congratulations once again. Kraus Maffei. Last but not least, Johnson & Johnson with environmental monitoring system, IoT multi-tenant platform. Nobody's here. You can have it then, Wiebke.
Thank you.
Okay, or maybe they are online, so we should assure them that we will make sure that it gets to you. Brilliant. So one thing we have to say is that regardless, basically, which rank this project achieved, these projects were actually made to or done to improve something in the companies. These are no showcases. These are no special projects for us. These are projects which they did, and for that purpose, regardless what they ranked here, it is a useful and beneficial program in those companies, just as the others who didn't make it to the finals. So now, that was category 1. We go to category 2, which is also very interesting, a little bit close to my heart, reacting to the new normal, working during the pandemic. I mean, this is a business we all experienced. So now see what connected CO2 sensors, what SkillWorks and from Cubion's Easy Edge have to bring here into the competition. So let's start with connected CO2 sensors. There you are.
The CO2.CLIC sensor solution includes high-quality CO2 sensors that use the NDIR technology. The readings are uploaded to a cloud portal over a secure Wi-Fi connection, so they could be correlated and analyzed. When the CO2 level for a sensor goes above a set threshold, an alert can also be sent. The ultimate goal being to ensure proper air exchange, thus lowering the transmission risk of airborne viruses like COVID-19. CO2 is generated when a human exhales, as such it's a perfect indicator of the air quality in a room. In a room without proper ventilation, CO2 and potentially infected aerosol stay suspended in the air. As you inhale, you take in these potentially infected particles. For example, at 1000 ppm of CO2, 1.5% of the air you breathe comes from the lungs of the other people in the room. At 2000 ppm it goes up to 4.2%. Think about it for a second. The past 2 years have been hard on every business, so our goal was to design a solution that would meet the following: lowest cost possible, easy to install and use, allow business to share their CO2 levels with their customers and employees. The CO2.CLIC solution can be used in any types of businesses like education institutions, senior living spaces, offices and industries, restaurants, hotels, and stores. We are a family-owned and operated think tank shop located in the province of Quebec in Canada. We have been working with customers to bring their ideas to life for the past 17 years. The CO2.CLIC solution is our own design and is available now. Monitor what you and others breathe.
Thank you very much. This was CO2.CLIC. Thank you very much. Moving on to the second nominee in category 2. This is Transition Technologies BSc with SkillWorks. Cut. So Transition Technologies, PSC, thank you very much. SkillWorks is the project. And moving on to the third nominee, which is QBO and AG with the project Easy Edge.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to EasyEdge, the universal solution for networking industrial machines. During the last 18 months, many of you faced severe problems due to pandemic. You wanted to finalize commissioning of new machine tools delivered recently to your customer far away and cannot get a plane to fly there due to corona lockdown. You wanted to do troubleshooting or update your firmware on machine controllers on site and cannot get access due to lockdown at your customer production site. EasyEdge is the right solution for you to do all this and bring many other value-added services to your customers. EasyEdge is designed to bring your expertise and remote services to the very edge of your business without leaving your office. So let's have a look at our customer Schutte in Cologne and see what they have done to improve their service worldwide. Schutte is a typical mid-size machine manufacturer and market leader in multi-spindle automatics. Schutte was looking for a solution to bring their 6Life software next to their customers' machines to improve service and overall equipment effectiveness, and decided to choose QBeyond to provide their managed edge gateways and cloud service to deploy and support their new service model. So now, Schutte can not only provide support via TeamViewer remote access as in the past, reaching out to the panel control unit. Schutte can now reach out to the machine network 24/7 and look at the machine status and what is going on their machines whenever needed. Even software updates for the panel control unit or the machine controllers behind it can be done now remotely. And you can do the same, using our EasyEdge solution, which allows to connect to any machine using different machine protocols. Once installed, it connects to these machines and collects real-time data gathered from sensors or controllers. The data can be stored on local databases, or uploaded via local system interfaces or cloud connectors to give you full access to the complete data set of your machine tool in operation. Worldwide, EasyEdge has many benefits for you and your customers. Thank you for your attention. Please vote for EasyEdge, the new end-to-end platform service for machine tools and production, and visit our booth number 4 in the exhibition. Thank you very much.
QBeyond AG project EasyEdge. Hopefully you are still in the application. The process is the same. And the time starts now. Interesting. Last time we had 55 voters, so there is still room for you. Maybe you did last time voting and you didn't do yet. You have a minute more to find back your mobile phone or online your menu item on the left-hand side and press the button. Seems like every vote counts, so if you didn't vote yet, do it. Also online. Yeah. Good. Time is up. And so we can say that with a very, very small margin on the coaches, consultant connected CO2 sensors is the winner of this year's award in category 2, reacting to new normal, working during the pandemic. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations. There you are. So. Brilliant. If you also want to thank somebody, here is a microphone for you.
Well, that project I submitted without expecting anything. It's a own project that I started on my own time, so I want to thank my wife and kids for putting up with the long hours, 80, sometimes 90 hours a week to get that project out. Thank you.
Brilliant. Thank you. And the second is just with a margin of 2%, Transition Technologies, PSC, Skillworks. Congratulations. If you don't come up, then we are going to make the photo together. Oh, there you are. There you are.
We can do this, no problem, but next week.
All right, so this is yours. This is yours.
Yeah, we appreciate it. It's shock for us because this is first competition for where we show our Skillworks, our solutions. So thank you so much. We appreciate it.
Thank you very much. And once again, congratulations. We're going to make sure that it gets to you as soon as possible.
Thank you.
And number 3 is QBeyond AG with the project Easy Edge. Congratulations. Fantastic. Yeah. So, thank you very much.
Thank you very much too. There's room for improvement.
But as I said previously, all these submissions have not been done especially for us. Nobody was basically doing a project just because of Industry of Things word. These projects were done actually to improve customer side or to create a product which can be then marketed. So having said that, all of them are worthwhile, and we are very happy that they were submitted and you guys have put in all that effort which such a submission requires. Thank you very much. Also thank you to all of you who have voted here. And once again, thank you for all the submissions, not only the 6 nominees who we have seen here, but the over 15 submissions which we have received.